How to log into Bank of America credit card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now at the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Bank of America credit card login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Manage your credit card account. Open it. You'll be directed to this page. Now scrolling down here, you're gonna find different options through which you can manage your credit card account. Go ahead and select the option for which you want to use the credit card. Just click on it. For instance, I'm going to select pay your credit card bill. Now you will be directed to the login page. From here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials, type in the user ID and the password, and then click on login. If you have forgotten your password or user ID, click on this option to recover it. Once logged in, you'll be good to go. So this way you can easily log into Bank of America credit card account online. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.